Hi, and welcome to this Flowpaper web page builder tutorial working with columns. In this tutorial, we are going to go over how to use columns to group content in your publication, as well as how to add, move, and delete columns. The first thing you need to know in order to understand columns is your publication is built up of three major components: blocks, which then contain columns, and columns that contain your separate elements such as paragraphs and images. Columns allow you to create a layout for your documents so that you can place items in a way that suits your content. It's easy to select different columns by clicking on them. Let's look at how to add columns. You can do this in two different ways. The first way is to use the column button by selecting where you would like to add the column and then hitting it. You will see that it automatically adjusts so that you get a new column where you can place your content. The second way to add columns is to head to the Blocks button on the left-hand side of the screen and scroll down to where you would like to add your column. Now all I have to do is find the type of block I want to add. Here I am selecting a 2-column block and simply dragging and dropping it into my publication. Now I'll select Import and find the column I would like to include in the publication. This is the column I want to include. Go ahead and delete the automatically generated paragraph. I'll make sure the correct column is selected. Now drag and drop or double click to add your content. Okay, let's do the same thing for the second column. This time I want to add an image as well as some text, so I will just go ahead and double click on each. It's easy to resize the image to make it look a little nicer, and by double clicking on the text you can enter edit mode and make any additional adjustments to the text that you like. If you don't like the way the column has been sized, you can use this handle to adjust it. And if you want to reorder your columns, simply select the top panel of the column and drag and drop it. You will know where it's going to drop by the blue marker. Finally, if you want to take a look at how Flowpaper automatically adjusts your content for a mobile device, you can simply head to the bottom of the screen and select the mobile button. Then scroll down to your new content. You will see that those columns are now nicely placed on top of each other for a smaller device. And then you can easily switch back to the desktop to continue working on your publication. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this Flowpaper tutorial on the web page builder working with elements. You can find more tutorials to help you through this process online.